If you want to build and or grow a successful business online, let me tell you something. One day, just one day, your business will blow up like boom. And those who were laughing at you, those who were saying that you can't achieve anything good in your life, those who were waiting to see you fail, they will have to spend years learning new skills. They will have to spend years of hard work to be at the level where you are. But before you get to that level, before you get to that point, there are some things that you need to know. Things that most people on the internet don't want you to know about. Things that only a handful of them will want to tell you about. Those are the things I'm going to cover in this video. So if you want to build a business online, if you want to build a successful business online without wasting money in the process, watch this video before you get started. The whole video, I mean every second of it. Hi, my name is VK. I'm the founder of Real Village Academy. On this channel, I make videos to show you how to grow a YouTube channel. I make videos here to show you how to make money online working from home. So if you are interested in that, make sure to go down and like this video, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. That way, next time I upload a new video on this channel, I will send you a notification. If you are not new here, if you already subscribed to my channel, if you are already a member of our Make Money Online Working From Home community, I really appreciate your time. Thank you and welcome back. Make sure to like this video and share it. It doesn't cost anything to do so, so make sure to turn the like button blue. With that out of the way, let's now dive into the video. You will be hearing this. It's possible that you've read this almost everywhere on social media, that making money online, building your own business is the norm right now. And as we all want to be free, as we all want to be our own boss, you decided to build your own business online. But before you do so, here are 4 things that I need to tell you about. 4 things that have the power to change your life, that can help you make even more money in the long run. That's why we are here. So in number 1, do not start an online business if you don't have money. We all know there are free ways to make money online. There are free tools that you can use on the internet to build and grow your online business. But working from home, making money online, business opportunities has become so popular that if you want to use free tools to build an online business, you will be doing the same thing as 95% of those who try to build a business online, and in most cases failed. And I'm sure about this, you don't want to start a business that's guaranteed to fail even before you get started. Even if you choose to build a YouTube channel, and we all know you can use the daylight by staying close to your window to make your videos, use your phone and a $20 microphone to build your YouTube channel. It almost doesn't cost you anything to do that. But what you will keep in mind is that even if you start making videos with your phone, you need to move from there and you need to buy a camera. And what that means, it means that you will start spending money to build your YouTube channel. That's what I learned from my experience here building a YouTube channel. So you will make sure that you have a consistent amount of money coming to your bank account every month that you will use to pay your rent, to put food on the table, and have a little aside to spend on your business. If you are not sure that you can provide those, do not start an online business. In number 2, do not start an online business if you don't know the industry you are getting into. The business model that most beginners go to when they want to start building a business on the internet is affiliate marketing. And most people think that if you want to be an affiliate marketer, you just need to join a program, grab your affiliate links, and start sharing those links on social media. But we all know, at least those who has been there, we all know that it doesn't work that way. If in all this you choose to do affiliate marketing, I posted a video on this channel last time where I show you the income producing activities that you should be focusing on as an affiliate marketer, and make sure that you will be successful from day one. And you can find that video right here, and when you click on it, I will show you how you can build a successful affiliate marketing business working from home. Along with that, you will learn what the industry is, what affiliate marketing is exactly, how it works, and what to do to be successful as an affiliate marketer. And if you love the topic, if you like the video so far, make sure to go down and turn the like button blue. And very important, subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on. Now let's continue with the two other realities that you need to know before you get started with your online business. In number 3, is it 3 or 2? 1, 2, 3. In number 3, do not start an online business if you are not able to endure pain for a long period of time. You will maybe asking yourself the question to know what I'm talking about, right? Because you want to start an online business to end the pain you are going through in your life. And if I'm talking about being able to endure pain for a long period of time to be a quality that you should have before you start your online business, you are confused, right? I know, but let me tell you, being a business owner, building an online business will not turn your life around overnight. It's not an industry that you get into and in the next 2 weeks or in the next 2 months you start getting results. It's not a job that you go to, clock in and you clock out, and after 2 weeks maximum you start getting your paycheck. Building an online business doesn't work that way. It takes time, and during that period when you are building your business and you are not getting any results, you will be working hard. You will go through a learning process which is not going to be easy. You will lose sleep. You will not eat. You will be working almost every single day. And the worst part will be this: you will not get any results. But you have to keep doing what it takes to make it work until you start getting your results. And that's not tomorrow, that is not next month. It's painful and you have to be able to endure that pain for a long period of time. If you are not able to do that, you will give up even before your business starts giving you results. In number 4, which is finally the last step, do not start an online business if you want more free time to spend with your family or doing what you love. Because as an online business owner, at least at the beginning of the building process, free time is what you will not have. Remember, we said in step 1 that if you want to start your online business, you need to make sure that you have money to spend, which surely means that you have a job and you will be spending 8 to 12 hours every day going to your job. And the time you will be spending to build your online business will be after work. And that's exactly the time that you should be using to go out and hang out with friends, to take your family out, or to spend a good time with them outside or in the living room watching TV. But if you are building an online business, that time is going to be used to build and grow your business. So now what do you get? You're trying to have more free time, but at the end you end up getting too busy and you don't have time for anything. And you have to get yourself ready to go through all those before you get started with your online business. Remember the focus of this channel. The main reason I'm here is to educate and inspire you so you can start and grow a successful business online. So I'm not saying this to discourage you, but to help you see the reality, to get prepared before you get started. The process in itself is very simple, but it's not going to be easy. So once again, if you are not prepared for that, do not start an online business. And that should be all for today. If you like the video, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel to let me know that you want more content like this on my channel. I really appreciate your time. My name is VK from Real Village Academy. I will see you in the next video.